Hello! I am so happy to be here. I have been in this country for 16 years and I still do not know how to speak correctly. Sometimes I have no idea what I just said. I just pause, see if the person understood, and then I move on. I came here today to talk about a topic I could speak about for days. Rocket science. In my country, we are very excited about the Mars rover. But to understand, you just need to learn the basic principles, going back to Newton's third law of motion. It says, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Now, how easy, breezy, beautiful was that? We Latin women are very smart. Just don't ask me to conjugate a verb. Yo, check it, yo. People always ask me, hey, Skrilla, where you get your swagger from? And I just tell them, man, I got money in the bank. You know why? Because this bitch don't go nowhere unless she got a Groupon. That's right, I got my eyebrows threaded. I got a sensual massage. And I got some liposuction in my thigh, sucking all that fat out good. My shit be looking tight, especially this thigh. I'm going to get the other one done next month. You know why? Because I'm addicted to looking this good. Hello, I'm Nancy Grace. Yes, it sounds like there's a cold in my head. I won't shake it until there's justice for Kaylee. America, I need to be back on Dancing with the Stars because no one has more stars in their heart, not even the American flag, than me. Those other celebs, they don't have twins at home, nor do they have a full-time job like I do. Plus, I'm in excellent physical condition. Look at this shimmy. Look at this shake.
Nancy Grace, we love you. We voted for you on the Dancing with the Stars, didn't we, Amber, on the Twitter?
Shut up, you suck.
Aw, my baby, we cashed in my 401k so we could travel around the country and watch Pauly D from Jersey Shore DJ. You know why? 'Cause you only live once.
Mom, shut up! I hope you don't live much longer.
Aw, that's my baby. I hope this phone party's a good one. I hope it turns into that movie Project X. I really liked that flick. I got some pills from my bartender's mom who's on hospice. Should be a good one. Follow my Twitter at MomYolo for the roll-by-roll updates.
Mom! Die!
Aw, that's my baby.
Mom! Shut up!
Hey y'all, I'm Candace Dakota. I'm Miss Jellicoe, Tennessee. I think it's real important I use my prestigious title to bring attention to the underdogs. Just last week I traveled all the way to Chattanooga to lend my voice to the Foreign Accent Syndrome Society's luncheon. My accent is real, and I want people to feel okay if they don't have one. Lots of people ask me to speak at their events. Let's see who did today. What's this? The YMCA. Best wedding song ever.
Hello, I'm Emma Stone. I love saying old phrases like shut the front door and listening to the Beatles. I just finished shooting Spider-Man. Oh, people love these comics. I mean, yeah, I do. When I was in New York, it was so fun. Golly gosh, we were next door to a Hobby Lobby. So I got a lot of knitting done. And when we were in Atlanta filming The Help, oh my gosh, we were next door to a Walmart. One time I went there like 4 times in one day. First, I got an icy. Then I went back and I got headphones. And the 3rd and 4th time, I got lean pockets.